Guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Connie, and I thought I'd give you a shed update. We got a lot done this weekend, and I did not realize how out of shape I was until I started helping with this. Up and down, up and down, up and down. I am so sore. But as you can see, he was able to get the drywall up, and there's that. This part over here does not have drywall, and I don't think I'm going to put any there because I really don't feel like purchasing anymore. We have a few scrap pieces here, but we're not going to worry about it. It's going to be covered anyways with my shelving, so I'm not going to worry about that, and it's insulated, so. But he was able to get drywall from over here to around this way. So that was exciting. We actually thought that we were only getting enough to go down this wall. So we were really happy when we found out that we actually had 2 extra pieces that we could use. So that was really nice surprise. We still have yet to insulate the ceiling, which I'm gonna let him do. While he was doing the drywall, I was putting that insulation up. It's a bubble wrap insulation, and I can already feel a difference in here from being outside, even though it's not that cold out today, but I still can feel a difference. So I can't work above my head, so I'm gonna let him do the ceiling. And we're almost to the decorating and painting part. I'm just trying to figure out what colors I wanna go with. I'm thinking probably a light gray, which is pretty much the color of the paneling or the drywall. But today I need to go get we have a fly. I need to go get a sanding block so we can sand this down. And we may have to mud it again, but that was my job. I did all the mudding, except for the corners. I let him do the corners, but he did an H there. But yeah, I mean, I am so excited. I really did not think that we were gonna get this far this weekend, but yesterday, whew, we put in the work. We put in the work, and I'm feeling it today. We also were able to get our linoleum that we're putting down. I would give you a sneak peek, but it is all wrapped up. So you guys are gonna have to wait on that one. Next weekend, we are going to get the boards to make my fireplace so he can get that up. We picked this up from Lowe's. It was on sale. And this, look how pretty this is. And it was on clearance for like $15. So this is going to be the mantle for my fireplace. It's actual wood on bark on the outside. So I love that. And like I said, I'm trying to pick a paint color. I don't know what I want to do for paint. I actually lost my receipt for Menards, and I have to find it. I hope it didn't get thrown away so I can get my rebate. But yeah, I'm so excited that we're almost there. He said he definitely wants to get me in before the end of the month, so that's why we're working so hard, because I want to be able to decorate for Christmas in here too. So yes, it's going to be for reselling, but you know, you got to have it pretty, right? So of course. So yeah, that's where we are, guys. I am excited about that. I posted my desk on Facebook. It's a mess right now. I'd have to clean that up in case somebody buys it. But yeah, I am thrilled with the way it is coming out and how fast we are getting this done. So All right, guys, if you guys want to see what I've been selling, go ahead and stay tuned. That will be next. Okay, guys, here are a few solds that I've made in the past few days. I don't have anything high dollar, so nothing too exciting, but at least some of the stuff is going, and I am proud of any sale I can make, because the way everything is going right now, it's hard to make these sales. So starting off with Poshmark, I sold the Style & Co. Women's Extra Large Black Metal Closure Ruffle Collared Cardigan Sweater. And this is what that looks like. And I sold this for $16. This is really cute. And I'm glad somebody's going to be able to enjoy that. Next up on Poshmark, I woke up to this sale this morning, and it is for a Mossy Oak Men's Extra Large Waterproof Hunting Camo Jacket. And I'm glad this is gone. Jackets take up so much space. So this isn't a heavyweight jacket, it's just a lightweight, good jacket for fall. And this sold for $17. So it was nice to wake up to a sale, because that doesn't happen very often anymore. All right, over to eBay. This is the order that kicked off the weekend for me, and these sold for $15.95. They're a lot of for vintage, large, white, gold, sparkle, velvet, beaded Christmas ornaments. These were absolutely beautiful. I got these and a lot with a bunch of other ornaments, and these were absolutely gorgeous. So I'm excited that somebody appreciated these and is going to use them. Next up on eBay is this Marilyn Monroe puzzle, Photo Mosaics, Robert Silver's 1,000 piece. This was a sealed puzzle. I picked this up at a garage sale or a yard sale over the summer, and I thought it was really cool. And if you look really, really closely, I don't know if you guys can tell. Let me see if I can buzz you in here a little bit. But there's faces inside the puzzle and all kinds of different... It's really, really cool the way this is made. There's all kinds of different faces and stuff in there. But see, it's showing on her eyebrow. That's what it looks like. I thought that was such a cool puzzle. That would absolutely drive me insane. No, I would not be able to do that puzzle. I am not a puzzle person, but I hope they enjoy this puzzle. All right, next up is this miniatures grandfather and grandmother doll set. It is for a doll house. And actually, the person who purchased all of my dollhouse furniture last week came back and bought grandmother and grandfather. So I thought that was pretty cool. And I thought these guys, they were really cute. That's what they up close look like. So I hope she enjoys these, and she absolutely loved the dollhouse furniture that she received. She gave me a raving review. She's a very nice lady. So I'm saying a lady, it could have been a man for all I know. But that is, they bought this, came back and bought this for $19.98. So now I'm pretty much wiped out of dollhouse furniture and have to buy more. Hopefully I can find some. I only have a bed and a rug left. That's it. Okay, and the last thing I sold was this Funko 8-inch Betty Boop Hula Wacky Wobbler Retired 2000. Now, this poor little girl, I bought her in a lot with some other Betty Boops, and she definitely had some issues, but she is so cute. And honestly, what woman doesn't have issues? I'm just saying. But her skirt had issues, and she leaned back really far, as you can see, and the skirt was shedding. So I did show good pictures of that, and I actually put that in the comment right here, leans back and her skirt is shedding. So they should be well aware of that. And I had so many watchers on her since I got her. And I am so glad somebody pulled the trigger and actually bought her. And I sold her for $15.26. So, all right, guys, that is pretty much all I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed the update on the shed. I'm so excited, exhausted, and can't wait for it to be done. And I hope you enjoyed this part of the video, seeing what few items I have sold. So if you did, make sure that you like, subscribe, stay tuned for more videos coming up. And thank you for joining me today. Until next time, bye.